Look at this mess I made. Hello, my darling. How are you today? I hope you are having a fabulous day so far. My name is Tanya Watts. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So also, welcome to the very first video in my new shop. Yes, I'm sitting on the ground because I haven't really hung anything up yet, so everything's just sort of neatly placed on tables and a dresser. But it looks super cute for a background, so that's what we're gonna do until I get things hung up on the wall. Today's video is a super duper quick and easy one. My glitter drawer, it's a disaster. It is unorganized. I've got bags of glitter. I've got glitter in different sized containers. It is no longer in any sort of order. They're all just thrown in there. So today I'm just gonna take you into my glitter drawer. We are going to organize it according to rainbow order because that is way too satisfying not to do. And I've got some new glitters that I'm going to be putting into little pots. So I figured I'd do that with you because who doesn't love watching glitter pour? Okay, so let's go into the glitter drawer. Okay, are you ready? Here is the disastrous glitter drawer. Oh, she's so messy. So we have all of these here that need to be put into pots. We have all of these. No, that one might be a bad example. We have some other pots that we're going to change out for ones that match. The ones I got have clear lids now, but it's fine. And we're going to rearrange them back into rainbow order. I am not sure if I'm going to need a second drawer or not, so I don't know what to do about that yet. I'm either going to turn that into a second glitter drawer, but the thing is when they're really far back, they're hard to pull out, and this is why they're all a mess, is because of that. So I'm not sure yet. I might put them back in here and just have, because they can, this unit, the drawer will hold more, I think. I'm not sure. I might have to play around. We'll see. Anyway, first things first. I've already cut those down to size. I actually just sized them to be consistent with the other ones in case I wanted to put them in here. I didn't want to make them too long and then have to change it again later. So one cut, we're good. I can still use these small pieces. I don't know what to do yet. Okay, well, I can put all the ones in bags. I can put those in pots for certain. And that's at least something, right? Right. So I'm going to be using these little pots. So all of these glitters are from the Glitter Boutique.
all of the brand new glitters have been moved from their baggies to the pots. There are still a bit left in the baggie, so I am going to put them away somewhere else, and then we will get into transferring all of the mismatch glitter pots into the matching glitter pots.
Everything in these kind of pots, these kind of pots, and these ones. I'm not sure about these ones. I might leave these tiny ones alone. We shall see. To be determined. But for sure the other two.
Oh no. Ooh, I found this sneaky little bugger. We have to transfer him. And then also, these chunkers, they're in a tower. I'd rather just split them apart into separate containers so that I don't have to pull out the entire thing if I want to use one.
Okay, well, but ran out of battery. And I didn't realize. So this is how much I got done. Basically, I'll just quickly talk through how I started it. Basically, I separated all the clears, the silvers, the golds, and then I started separating out other colors as they came to be. And just sort of put them in their categories, and then have slowly been making them look nice. We're on to blue. And that's when I realized I wasn't recording anything. So let's organize the blue row. The blue fits perfectly.
guys left. So you know what I'll do? Take that guy out and put these little babies in. And this guy will, well, he'll just have to hang out up here for the time being. Which actually works out well because this is like a teal, like a dark teal emerald, which actually, this green shift is the exact color of these glitters, and I wanted a way to transition into purple. So let's start with this, go put this guy after because he's green and purple, and then we'll put all of our purple glitters after. Oh, okay. Then we can move to pink. I realize this is an actually rainbow order, as in red, orange, yellow, blue, green, indigo. I realize that it's not actually in that order, they're just in colored sections, because some, as you can see, are much bigger and take up the entire row, and some are really teeny. So basically I'm trying to fit the entire color category in one space without having to break it up like I did here, but that doesn't really bother me as much because it's a mix and it sort of blends into where we're going. So now I'm going to slowly transition from purples into fuchsias and pinks, and to do that I am going to, this little mix has light purple and light pink in it, and then this Berry Blast from the Glitter Boutique has pinks and glitters and all sorts of stuff in it too. So I'm going to use these two to sort of transition into fuchsia pink. This is a weird one too because it's so shifty. Blue, purple, pink. So I think I'm going to add that into like the middle between the purple and the pink. Some more pink. Okay, now we're getting into the really back, and I won't. Okay. Whoop, sorry, I'm not wearing a mask.
It's okay. You don't have to. I'm just trying to get my sweat up.
Because it's bringing. So they are going to all fit in here. I'm not sure how it's going to function for the ones in the back, but I'm going to have to use it to see. So we'll fill up what's remaining and we are done, and I will give you a close-up. So what I have left are these two golds, the chunky, and then this brass guy. We have this really pretty dark brown. These two, this is more blue, gray, and this is gray, and not sparkly. You know what, the blue looks perfect as it is, so this is now gray. Okay. And then we have this chunky, not really super chunky, but it's a pastel glitter mix. And then these 4 dot glitters, but I wasn't really sure how to place them. Oh, I missed one here. Oh, and this orange guy, that's okay, there's space. Yeah, this pumpkin spicy color. Okay. Put this in the back. So I have all this space plus an entire extra cutoff bit, scrap bit. So if this back row isn't working for me, I can move them here. Maybe I should just do that. Let's just do that and see how it feels. Ugh. And that's why I don't like the back row. got them all out of the that last row, which is kind of annoying because now that one is complete. The double half of it's useless. Anyway, that's okay. It will be used eventually. We are clean, we are organized. It is not perfect, but it's getting there. Let me bring you in for a closer look. So, those are most of the mixes. They go back most of the way. And you can see what I was talking about back here. That one whole half of the spice rack is useless because to reach anything out basically pulls everything forward. Soup's annoying. So, purple, blue, green, red, holographic silver, silver, gold, and white, and black, and orange, and yeah, well, you know colors. I hope you enjoyed the deep dive into my glitter drawer. This is obviously going to change again because I'm going to continue to get as much glitter as humanly possible. I guess we'll revisit this when it becomes a shiny mess. Most beautiful mess you've ever seen. Lose my mind. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Possibly even learned something. I don't know, a storage tip, a place to buy glitter from. Who knows? Who knows what you take from videos? I'm not judging. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you learned something. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Because otherwise YouTube doesn't know that I exist. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your favorite place to get glitter from. I'm always looking for a new glitter supplier. And subscribe if this is something that tickles your fancy. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!